like one of those years where it's like I always think it's like so hard to trade this market. Hey, some people on CNBC go, "Oh, it's an easy market to trade." I'm like, what are you talking about? This is one of the hardest markets I've seen to trade in a long time. I'm not looking for anything on day trade or penny spike on basically anything on the BABA names, the China names. I'm not looking for anything here. PDD was up. It's going to go to 0. KSS went to 0. Just trying to get rid of some things, clear some things out of here. So I'll still be looking to get long, a little stock specific though. You know, if we see DraftKings calls, I like them. If we see not Lucid, not LI, more trying to be more specific about which stocks I want to take. Because we all know that trading is difficult, and I want to be more selective in the last couple months. I had a nice week last week. I made about $1,000 on the personal portfolio. Got the Baroque music ready to fire. Ha! My water, my coffee. I got movers coming today. I'm moving some of my crap. I hate moving. I hate things. If it was me, I'd have a backpack of black t-shirts, black Lulu, and that's it. 2 minutes to go to the opening bell. Most likely we won't have any 5-minute bar longs. It's a bull 5-minute bar above the Ichimoku cloud. You buy it, you sell it. MOC, market on the close. I actually like days like this when the market's down because I think the market can rally back. I could very easily see us going back to break even. Bum, 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 bum. Ooh, they have a green apple warhead. I'm going to buy that one. Opening bell here, guys. In less than a minute and 10 seconds. I'll be looking to get long when I am short. Looking to get long more than I am short. Morning, morning, morning. Futures down 32. I like when the market's down, guys. I actually like when the market's down. I like when the market's down. Opportunity to get in cheaper. Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Spend some time with the family. And we are futures down 32. NNOX trading here. Nothing to do with that one. TCOM actually up. I thought we sent a signal on TCOM last week. Let's see what the TCOM Jan 32s are. I added some at 65. I'll have a target here at 80. Sorry, at 95. BTU trading here. Nothing new in BTU. Now we're going to get into the whole global growth concerns. T-Mobile puts being bought here. I got stopped in Apple on Friday, so I'm out of Apple. I got stopped in Apple on Friday. Shop buys up $2. AMC puts trading here. No, thank you. Futures nice little rally back. I have TCOM this week. 48s. They're worth 5 cents. I could, in theory, sell them. Shopify 240. Las Vegas Sands puts trading here. How are the casino names doing? Sands up $1. We saw MGM calls being bought. MGM down. We saw Win puts being bought. Win's up $4. Why is Win down if we're going to a zero COVID in China? That I don't understand. NVIDIA 190 is trading here small. We're going to a zero blocked Apple weekly 155s trading here. Nothing to do in Apple. I tried something new today where I don't have my phone in front of me. which is exciting. Black Friday is still going on. Ford puts being sold. Shopify have the 48s this week. They'll most likely go to 0. I don't know how cheap I added them. I'm not even going to try to sell them at 5. I'd rather let them go to 0 than sell them at 5 cents. I actually sold PayPal put spreads on Wednesday. PayPal's higher. We saw a trade on that one. Futures a nice little big here. Bought some TCOM on Friday. Have a lot of cash on the sidelines to trade with. Baba. We might get a 5-minute bar long in Amazon. Baba's down. I don't know why Baba's down, but PDD's up a lot. And JD's unchanged. That really just doesn't make sense. FUT trading here. DraftKings. I said I wanted DraftKings calls, and we see DraftKings calls being bought. Not a big enough order. The 15.5s of DraftKings. DKNG, 15.5s. No, thank you. Give me something I like. Great game last night. Google weekly puts here. No, thank you. GOOGL 1,000 lot. Credit Suisse on a 52-week low. Ooh, Credit Suisse. $3.47 here in Credit Suisse. Let's go down the daily chart. PDD, no interest. They had earnings. That's why it's up. This is the biggest derivative desk in the world. PDD looks like it's blowing out here. PDD looks like it's blowing out. 345. Stock is down about a third. Win puts being sold, so it looks like they might about win against. Keep an eye on Beyond Meat 14s, guys. BYND 14s for next week. BYND 14s for next week. I'm not taking these BYND 14s for next week. We've seen this make money before. The first order is not big. AAL, I have weekly 16s. Those are going to go to 0. PayPal up $2. I'm not really interested in it. Personal portfolio is up over $1,000. Beyond Meat, more calls being bought. BYND, guys, keep an eye on this week. 14.5 now being bought. All small, guys. BYND, small orders in BYND. So BYND this week 14s, next week 14.5. This week 14.5, next week 14s, and BYND. Z Beyond Z Meat. 5-minute bar closes here in a minute. We're probably going to get a buy here in Amazon. I took an Amazon super option trade last week. That worked out really well. So a super option trade last week. MPW trading here. No, thank you. So TCOM I did buy last week. Hood calls being bought. TCOM. Travel.com. ARKK. Up a whopping 70 cents. ARKK now up on the day. PayPal moving higher. Tesla coming back. 5-minute bar closes here in a second, guys. So 5-minute bar. So we're looking for a bull 5-minute bar above the Ichimoku cloud. Oh, something hit on 48 hour. 5-minute bar here, guys. 5-minute bar longs. Wow, future's right back. My thing's not working. Apple on the 5, no signal. Amazon on the 5 is a buy. Amazon, 5-minute bar long. Amazon, 5-minute bar long. So this is buying a bull 5-minute bar above the Ichimoku cloud. You sell it at the end of the day, otherwise known as market on the close. Amazon, buy 94.97. Amazon, buy. Bob, no signal. Google, no signal. Meta, 111.94. So Meta, buy. Amazon, buy. Meta, buy. Amazon, buy. Nothing in Google, nothing in Tesla, and nothing in the Netflix. So 5-minute bar long in Amazon, and that level's around 94.97. And Meta around 111.76. Let me get the exact level for you guys in Meta. 111.94. So 5-minute bar longs. So this is buying a bull 5-minute bar, and you sell it MOC Z market on the close. Okay, AVGO, I'm going to be looking to buy call spreads here. So AVGO, they bought some 535s. Whew, these markets are wide. 73,000 shares. So I'm just trying to price something out here. The markets are really wide. I can't really get anything I like here. I mean, I'd buy the 550, 560 for a quarter. Look at the 550, 560 for a quarter. 45, no thank you. That's a $2.50 one. Oh. How about the 545, 550? How about the 540, 545? Look at the 540, 545. I'm going to buy two of these guys for 75 cents. So $5 call spread for 75 cents. AVGO, I'm turning this into a bull call spread. So if you're in my personal portfolio, you'll get this. If you're part of my personal portfolio, you get this trade. Nobody else gets it. Sending it out right now. So we see a 48-hour spike in AVGO. 48-hour spike in AVGO. You do have a reverse day trade in LI. I'm not buying these. So we have a first day trade in LI. I'm not buying these. These are the LI 19s for 9 cents. LI, I'm not buying these here. Hitting as a day trade. So LI hitting as a day trade. AVGO is a 48-hour spike. So day trade here, guys. Buyer of LI, 12.2. 19 calls. These are already doubled in value, supposedly. 9 cents. So LI trading here. And then we see AVGO on the 48-hour spike. Buyer of AVGO. 12-2, 2022, 230, 335 calls. Let's see which ones these are. 535 calls. So they're buying the 535s for $3. 535s being bought for $3, guys. So AVGO, guys, on the 48-hour spike. AVGO on the 48-hour spike. AVGO on the 48-hour spike here, guys. AVGO, 48-hour spike. LI on the day trade. So 2 5-minute bars, both. Amazon's a winner. Meta, we said Meta was a buy. 111.95. Meta's a loser. So one winner, one loser on the 5. AVGO calls. LI calls. LI is working here. EWZ March puts trading here. LI working out great here. TCOM, I have some at 95. Up in TCOM. That was sent to the personal portfolio members on Friday. The January 32s. Futures down 21. I don't love the market today. I don't want to see the market rallying this quickly, this fast. I'd rather see a little bit of selling pressure and then more buyers towards the end of the day. So when we woke up this morning, futures were down 34. I wasn't really buying that $34 up move. But she shall see. LI weekly 19 is getting a little bit of a bid. They're up to 15. So if you took LI as a day trade, you would have hit target 1 and target 2. So LI, if you hit as a day trade, you're out of this trade already. LI, if you hit this as a day trade, you'd be out of this trade. AVGO hit at $3. So LI, guys, if you bought these, you're already out of these for 25 and 50% profit. LI, this week, 19 calls, 9 cents. It hit the tape. If you got into these, I did not take these. You'd be out for 25 and 50% profits. Tesla up on the day. That's a reversal day. AVGO is at 535s. Did I write the 335s? To 535s. Apologize. I turned that into a bull call spread. So I'm technically long AVGO. Amazon, nice winner on the 5. Look at the bull 5-minute bar long in Amazon. Amazon on the 5. 94.97 with the buy signal here in Amazon. Great trading. Now, some of you guys took that Amazon signal. I did not. PG puts trading here. No, thank you. So look at that 5-minute bar long there in Amazon. 5-minute bar long here in Amazon. SLV calls being sold. SLV calls being sold. Nothing on ETF, nothing Dollar Tree, nothing on super options. Matchup, 3 pennies. BG puts trading here, no thank you. Bank of America puts, no thank you. I'm not really looking for puts, I'm only looking for calls. LI, great trading. LI, huge profits, guys. 25 to 50% profit on that is hit. I would not be buying a pullback. I would not be holding overnight. Tesla down a nickel. Amazon on the 5 working out. Meta on the 5 loser. So one winner, one loser on the 5-minute bar long. Amazon up about 80 cents. Meta down about $1.20. So 5-minute bar longs, one winner, one loser here on the 5. Meta testing reback to that the open. A little bit of slowness today, guys. We only have about, I don't know, every single day they update the how many days till Christmas there is. SRPT. So TCOM, I just sold 2 calls in TCOM. So TCOM, I just sold 2 of them for 95. That's from the personal portfolio. I'm up $300 here in TCOM. 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 I just sold 2 options in TCOM. 65 to 95. AVGO is a 535 calls. If I said something else, I apologize. Win up $1 now. PDD up $10. PDD up $10. AVGO profits. Neo profits. Amazon profits. Great trading, guys. When you make money, I am happy. No bonus trading today. Bonus trading Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Get it right here, right now. I was up at 8:30 this morning to take Bolt to the park, so I'm happy about that. I mean, I think the market could be up on the day today. What hit the tape? I don't see anything hit the tape, but I heard noise. Oh, Bank of America puts being bought. 37 puts in Bank. I'm not buying these. BAC, Moonshots hitting at 37 puts. 37 cents. I am not buying these here in Bank of America. Bank of America, I'm not buying these. This is a moonshot. Moonshots. Buyer, BAC. Oh, AVGO ripping. Next week, 37 puts for, oh, they're next week puts in Bank of America. 58 cents, guys. So Bank of America puts being bought. I'm not participating in these. Bank of America puts being bought. I'm not buying these. If you have a reason to be bearish, Bank of America, maybe this is your reason. Maybe you turn these into put spreads. Maybe you sell call spreads. Maybe you short stock. Whatever you do, AK is not participating in. Whatever you do, AK is not participating in this trade. And Bank of America, LI calls have doubled in value. LI 19s have doubled in value. LI 19s have doubled in value, guys. LI 19s have doubled in value. LI 19s have doubled in value today. LI 19s have doubled in value. LI doubled in value. AVGO starting to get a bid. Those calls have gone from 3 to 370. Now they're 350. I bought bull call spreads. I'll take a half off at a double, and I'll leave the other half to expiration. If AVGO gets above 545, I 6x my money. That would be nice. I don't mind 6xing my money. Fives are 52s. No, thank you. I'm only looking for longs personally for me. I'm not looking really to get short. You got to decide what's best for you, but I am not looking for short positions. Amazon up, Meta down. LI nice trading. LI 100% profit, guys. Zoom, January 145 is being bought. No, thank you. No, thank you. Actually, I was going to get out of my Etsy position. I have a bullish Etsy position for, I have like a call flyer, one lot call flyer. New York Community Bank, no thank you. It's NYCB. Elon put a picture up next to his nightstand is a gun and caffeine-free Diet Cokes. Okay. Interesting. Tilray 8's being sold. No, thank you. Tilray 8's being sold. Futures on 22. Neo from last week. Neo up 32 cents. Yeah, they were buying what, the 10.5s? I think they were buying the 10.5s. AVGO falling back down. So let me add AVGO. Oops. AVGO and Bank. And then LI. Save the workspace, AK. Neo from last week, working out great. December expiration, we have one 3 weeks. 3 weeks to go to December expiration. Then we'll have a lot of holidays. I'm not sure when the trading room is going to be closed. A lot of times they'll close it for like a week. I'm willing and flexible to do whatever they want, but a lot of times they'll close it for a week. December 26th is technically your holiday for Christmas, which is a Monday. So the holiday schedule, there's no work on the 26th. So I have to ask them what's going on. And actually, New Year's is on a Saturday. So January 2nd will be observed, which is a Monday. So 2 straight Mondays, there'll be no trading room. It will be the 26th and the 2nd. And then I have to ask about the schedule for that. Option hacker Baba calls being bought, guys. Baba 89s. I'm going to pass on these, but I like seeing Baba calls being bought because I'm long Baba in a structured note. Baba 89s being bought. I'm going to put a 60-cent bid in here, guys. So I'm going to put a 60-cent bid in. I'm not participating at this level. But I'm going to put a 60-cent bid in for Baba. They bought the December 16th 89s at 120. So I'm going to look to get long Baba for earnings. Actually, I don't know if they even have earnings. So Baba calls hitting option hacker. I'm not taking Baba calls. So Baba calls hitting option hacker. I'm not taking Baba calls. So option hacker, buyer of Baba. Oh, they have earnings on. Oh, they just had earnings, right? They just had earnings. Because I got long it, I took half off at a double. I'm 60-cent bid under the market. I'm not paying at 120. First of all, these are $13 out of the money. Second of all, they're $1.20. So I have no interest in these. If I get filled at 60 cents today, I'll take them at 60 cents. If I get filled at 60 cents, I'll take them at 60. And AVGO, I'm actually going to go bid 130 bid of AVGO. So these are the 535s. I'll go 130 bid for a 2-lot. 150 bid, sorry. 150 bid. Share your earnings trades. Come on. Stop being selfish. We want to hear your earnings trades. LI bid here. LI bid. So that one working out well here. AVGO, guys, I'm putting a bid in under the market. So a couple like bids in under the market. Baba and AVGO, I'm putting a bid 50% under the market for today and today only. So if I get filled, I get filled. If the market sells off and I can get these for half price, I'll take these today. And then I'll have a stop at 50%, which is really down 75% from the highs. So AVGO, I'm 150 bid, and Baba, I'm a 60-cent bid. So a little of this, little of that today. So AVGO and Baba bid under the market, guys. If you guys are interested in doing what AK is doing today, you can put a bid in and make sure you do a day order so it cancels at the end of the day. After today, I'm not interested. But I'll take them for half price today. For today and today only. So if you look at what I've done today, I sold some TCOM calls. So I've only traded 6 options today, which for me is pretty light. And right around this time period, I'm done day trading. I only day trade for about the first 15 to 30 minutes. So AVGO, I bought 2 call spreads, $150 a risk. TCOM on Friday, I sent this out to personal portfolio members at 65. I sold half at 95. So now you think AVGO is going down 50%. Why didn't you tell us to buy it lower? I never told you to buy it in the first place. I turned that signal into call spreads. So I am technically long AVGO. But I don't like to buy $3 options personally. I'm not really interested in $3 options. But at $1.50, I'll take a 2-lot. I'll take a 2-lot. Visa trading here. Futures weak. You know, I think if we do rally, we're going to rally towards the end of the day. I think we do rally, we're going to rally towards the end of the day. One day trade, one winner. No penny spike. Moonshot, a trade, a short position, a winner. Didn't take it. Option accurate, one signal. Thank you. 5-minute bars, one winner, one loser. 48-hour spike, technically it's a loser. Option accurate, technically a loser. And the market's going to move with your position. So, like, if I'm long anything besides, like, the VIX, if the market goes down, most likely I will lose money. If the market goes up, I'll probably make money. The VIX got down to 2050 last week. Now, that is interesting. You know, they're always like, oh, every time the market gets to 20, sell the market. When it gets to 35, buy the market. I don't really believe in that. They just make up random things on TV. I watch a lot of trading programs on TV. They just make up stuff. I kind of just laugh at them usually. Because in hindsight, it's all really easy. What I really want them to do is everybody that's on TV put their performance on there. That would be fun. PDD calls being bought. I'm not looking to make anything that's post earnings. Kimball Walker's barely in the league. That's unbelievable.
Our Fairbanks, Alaska store is.
At TBLA, stocks up $1. Never heard of this company. Taboola? They said all the retail numbers were strong. It means people are still spending. Taboola. Maybe I have heard of this. Taboola. Stock is on fire. The first portfolio I've had for a week plus now, and it's a major game changer. Thank you, Daniel. Love hearing that. Ooh. Bump. Amazon still up a couple pennies. Meta's down. LI calls from 9 cents to 22. So I guess that's your huge winner for today. 9 cents to 22. Peloton 12s being bought. Looks like a lot of them. Didn't hit any of my scanners. Peloton 12s trading here. These are actually mid-market. Peloton weekly 12s. If you want to throw a flyer in here, 14 cents, guys. I don't think it's terrible. PTON 12s. Peloton 12s. 14 cents. They traded mid-market here. So you see the yellow, that means mid-market. And then the green came up, and that means they were bought on the offer. So PTON 12s. PTON 12s, guys. Lucid. PTON 11s trading here. Peloton, they're getting calls today now. Peloton, they're getting calls. They're getting the 11s and the 12s. Peloton 11 and Peloton 12 is trading here. I am long Peloton in the structure note. PTON, guys, 11s and 12s being bought here. 2011s, 6,000 of the 12s. And I didn't participate in either of these. They didn't hit any of my scanners here. PTON. The Peloton. PTON, Peloton. 11s and 12s trading here in Peloton. 11s and 12s trading in Peloton. Stocks up to 1192. Stocks up almost 10% today. The 12s have gone from 14 to 20 here, so that's 50% profit. It didn't hit any of my scanners, but you saw it coming across the tape here on the room scanner. So on the room scanner, you see the 12s trading here. Those hit at 16, and the 11s hit around 48. So 11s hit around 48, the 12s hit around 16. So PTON, Peloton. I did not participate in these. BP, I've had difficulty trading BP. They're buying some 35.5s. I think BP is one of the worst stocks to trade on order flow. 5-minute bars. Meta loser was a buy 111.94. Amazon was a buy 94.97. That's a small winner. Futures off the highs, off the lows. So let's look at a daily chart here of the S&P 500 futures. Futures on the daily chart. Relative strength index is a 58. I love the people that go on TV and says, we could go to 4,200. We could also go to 3,800. I'm like, okay, so you're saying we could go to maybe either of them? Doesn't seem like it's any actionable. Peloton 12 is not being sold. Like I said, that didn't hit any of my scanners, so when it doesn't hit the scanner, I don't participate. 12s, you can get them again at 16 or 17. Unity 36 for next week. I had a great signal in Unity 37s that went to 0. Unity 37s went to 0. That was a great signal. So nothing on Penny Spike. Option Hacker was a buyer. Baba 12/16 2022, 89 calls for 120. Moonshots buyer BAC 12/9 2022, 37 calls puts for 58. K-Web calls being bought small. Little of this and a little of that. Little of this and a little of this. Light on signals today. That's okay. We'd rather be patient. Find the best signals. TCOM on fire. TCOM of $1.60 here. I'm taking along 200 shares of TCOM. The traveltrip.com. Tesla up on the day. Amazon up on the day. Baba getting a little bit of a bid. Those Baba calls are back to 119. VIX trading here, nothing new. VIX. VXX trading here. Wow. VXX, weekly 16s. I'm going to pass on these. VXX 16s. Small LI calls have now up 200%. Wow, that was a good signal. I guess I missed that one. LI, they're buying the weekly 19s at 9 cents. These are up to 27 now, guys, at LI. So the day trade scanner, LI. LI calls up 200% this week. LI calls up 200% for this week. That's what happens when you get those high gamma names. JP Morgan trading here. I'm going to ask to see futures 23.5, 23.75. Peloton did not participate. LI calls got up to 26. AVGO coming back here a little bit, so I'm long AVGO, and I'm looking to buy in a pullback. So long TCOM. HITI, Jan 2.5 trading here. Tesla up $3. A nice little pop here in Tesla. So nice little pop here in Tesla. 48-hour spike, one signal. So we've seen BABA, AVGO, LI, and then Bank of America puts. Not that many signals considering the fact. IYR. Expiration is 15 days away, guys. Expiration is 15 days away. SYF, D's weekly 34 puts. PDD, I've seen a little bit, but I don't like to buy stocks when they're up this much. It's up $10 on earnings. I'm surprised to see BABA and JD not moving with it. Usually if PDD is good, then BABA's good. And I mean, BABA's up like $1.60. Zoomed on $1. ARKK unchanged. They did buy some ARKK calls. Look at Apple at the money straddle, 145 straddle. It's about $5. Just want to try to play with something real quick. I want to see if I can buy the 45, 50. It's $1.40. The Tuesday expiration, the 400 straddle is, well, the 405 straddle is $35. That's $14.40. Let's try to mess with something here. TME trading here is small, nothing to do there. TJT, target big buyer of calls, guys. Target big buyer of calls. They're buying this week's 75s. Target this week's 75s being bought pretty aggressively. Earlier in the day, I probably would have participated. These did hit our day trade scanner. TJT, guys, target. If these hit earlier in the day, I would have bought these aggressively. I'm not participating here. It's 43 minutes a day. Big buyer, TJT, this week 175. TJT this week 175. Big buyer. Buyer of TJT. Look at them go. 175 calls. He paid 44, guys. So TJT target. They're starting to get these in target. The 175s. This is earlier in the day. I would have bought 200 of these. I'm not playing in these. Target. Look at them go. Hit our day trade scanner. 42 cents up to 55. Target one already hit, guys, in target. TGT, guys. TGT. Target TGT. 175s hit at 43 cents, already up to 55 cents. If you got filled, you can move your stop to break even. Already up 25% in less than 5 minutes. And look at them go. Oh, I wish these hit earlier in the day. TGT. Target. Huge call buyers here in Target. Weekly 175. If you guys missed that signal, I would not be chasing here. If you miss that signal, wait till the next trade. I would not be chasing here. TGT, guys. I would not be chasing them here. I would not be chasing them here. TGT 175s. Aggressively being bought here. Let's look at the 5-minute bar. Long, another day trade winner, guys. So my most aggressive trading is day trades. My most aggressive trades is day trades. Stock can get up to about 169. It's about $3 to the upside here. TGT, now we see U.S. steel calls being bought. TGT, put that on the list, guys. Target, huge winner. LI, huge winner on day trades. U.S. Steel, weekly 27s being bought. I'm not taking these again. So U.S. Steel, weekly calls. I'm going to take some AFRM 13.5, though. AFRM 13.5 being bought here. 49 cents. I'm going to get 4 of these for 50. 50. 50's good. Filled at 50. AFRM, I'm going to take a couple here, guys. An AFRM, that's a moonshot. So great trading here so far, guys. Great trading. $16,000 AFRM 14s trading here. So AFRM on our moonshot scanner, guys. AFRM on our moonshot scanner. AFRM on the moonshot scanner. So then I come in here, I put this OCO bracket order in. Good to cancel. 75 or 25, whatever happens first. I mean, I care, but I can't control it now. So moonshots, buyer of AFRM. 12/2/2022, 13.5 calls, 450 cents. So moonshots, guys, at AFRM. Moonshots here in AFRM. If you like AFRM to the long side. AFRM to the long side. 50 cents. AFRM to the long side, the 13.5s here. So they bought 5,000 of the 13.5s, and they bought 16,000 of the 14s. So AFRM, guys, AFRM. 13.5s. Microsoft's crashing? Let me look it up. Probably is, well, Apple's going down too. So if the low is in for the day, how high can AFRM get? AFRM can get to 1445. So AFRM, nice ATR here. So I participated in AFRM weekly 13.5s, guys. I shouldn't be telling you that. AFRM. Hit 2 of our scanners. Hit our day trade scanner, and then hit our moonshot scanner. Stop place is in place. TGT I would not be taking here. TGT I would not be taking. If AFRM hit earlier, I would have taken those very, very large. Microsoft, let's look at that. That's down $3. Microsoft. In the other world, it's known as Softy. It's not crashing. It's up from 213 to 244. I mean, it's down a little bit today. Price target in AFRM is 50 and 100%. 50% stop loss. 50 and 100%, 50% stop loss. TBT trading here. That is a 20-year. AFRM. Lots of calls being bought here, guys, in AFRM. Mara. Ooh, our good friend Mara. Mara at 6.5s. Mara 6.5s trading here. Mara 6.5s. I'm going to buy some of these, guys. I'm buying some Mara calls. Mara 6.5s. I'm in at 12. Mara 6.5s. I'm in at 12, guys. Mara 6.5s. M-A-R-A. M-A-R-A, guys. Ooh, I need to change my target. It should be 18. Yeah, it is 18. M-A-R-A, guys. M-A-R-A. I like these here. M-A-R-A. In here. Moonshot scanner. Oh, penny spike, sorry. Penny spike. I actually think they might have paid 13. I actually got filled at 12, but I think they actually paid 13. There you go. So penny spike scanner first signal today, guys. Penny spike scanner first signal today. So they paid 13 on these. So if you're looking to get long crypto, you can get the 6.5s in Mara for this week for only $13 per one lot. And this stock has just gotten absolutely decimated. 57 to $6. 57 to $6. ATR of $1 a day. Relative strength index, I mean, it is completely oversold. Doesn't mean it can't go lower here. Crypto's getting crushed again. Actually, Ether holding up at 1166. Ether holding up okay at 1166. So Mara, MARA, 6.5. 13, you can probably get them right around that level. I actually got in at 12. TGT, I would not be looking to buy a pullback. My only pullback buys are AVGO and BABA, which I'm not even close to getting filled on, but that's okay. It is okay, AK. Futures on the lows. Soxel puts trading here. No, thank you. If you look at our scanners, what we see today, I guess I missed LI. That was a mistake on AK's part. LI, day trade, huge winner. TJT, day trade, huge winner. And then after that, it's too late in the day for me to participate in day trades. Penny spikes. I did like Mara calls. I actually got lucky. I filled at 12. Sometimes better be lucky than good. So I got 120 bucks worth at 12 cents. Then moonshots. I did not participate in Bank of America. I'm not looking to buy puts. I did buy AFRM at 50. They're down to about 46. BABA, I'm bid under the market, so I'm 60-cent bid. Then ETF, I didn't take anything today. Dollar Club, I didn't take anything today. I didn't take anything today. 48-hour spike, there's an AVGO. I did participate in call spreads. So for me, everything I've taken today is pretty much unchanged. Peloton, I did not participate in the 12s. They're down to 12 cents. Now you want to buy Peloton 12s for 8 cents and, you know, maybe buy $100 and get lucky on them. It did not hit any of my scanners. Both 5-minute bar longs are both losers. Anything trading in anything in Apple, Amazon, BABA has been really, really hard. Yeah, I'm in Mara at 12 and AFRM at 50. So AFRM, I'm in at 50. I'm down $18. And Mara, I'm up $15. I have $100 of risk in each. Futures down. Oh, whack was the market. I would actually add some Maras at 6. So I'm going to go 6-cent bid for Mara. I actually didn't buy many AFRMs. I should probably go bid an AFRM under the market. But Para, 18.5. Oh, there's nothing in there. Home Depot puts trading here. I think it'd be so interesting if the market closed it at 4,000 for the year. Be so interesting if the market closed at 4,000 for the year. Just be like, I don't know, just be like XOP trading here. Shopify only up $1. I didn't sell any calls. I could have sold them for a nickel. They're Wiki 48s. They're going to go to 0. TJT back down to 41. Target, I'm not buying a pullback, guys. That was a day trade. If you took the day trade, you made money, you're out of the trade. Okay, this is not meant to hold overnight. We reiterate these for you guys. Day trades are day trades only. They're not meant to hold overnight. Target was a day trade. It's not meant to hold overnight. Mara, you can hold overnight. AFRM, you can hold overnight. Doesn't mean they're going to be winners, but you can hold overnight. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Couple minutes to go, guys. Couple minutes to go. Mara. MOS MOS trading here. And Mara's got a nice ATR. I mean, if you look at Mara's ATR, it's pretty nice. Coca-Cola, January 65 is being bought. I got an ATR. It is oversold, and it's got a nice ATR. So, Mara, I mean, doesn't have to pop much. Yeah, AVGO price is 150. I've not got filled. I would take a 2-lot, and then I would have a 75-cent stop loss. So I'd be risking about 150 bucks. They're up to 3,000 to 535s. Broadcom's a huge ATR here. There's a $14 ATR. I like when the VIX is this cheap. That means the options that we're buying probably aren't going to go down that much because of volatility. They bought some BP 34.5s. All right, guys, that is it for my session today. Everybody have a great, great day. I took Mara calls. I took AFRM calls. I took AVGO call spreads. Took some profits in T.